Hi, this is Monique Morton, Mathematics Director for Advanced Kentucky. This is an overview of the new Content Coordinator portal and the data reporting system. I will show you how to open the portal, view the data for all the AP teachers in your content area at your school, fill out appropriate reports, and view stipend information. If you haven't visited the Advanced Kentucky website in a while, you'll notice that it has a new look. You'll need to return to the website periodically, so I would suggest bookmarking the site if you haven't done so already. Important due dates and upcoming teacher trainings are consistently displayed on the home page. On every page, in the upper right corner, you'll find a data reporting icon. This is how you will enter the data reporting system. The layout of the page for the data reporting system is similar to last year, and if you are a returning AP teacher at an Advanced Kentucky school, your login information is the same. If you are a new coordinator and have never logged in before, you should check with your administrator to see if you have been entered in the system. Login instructions are available for first-time users. Notice the title on this page. Make sure that it is correct for you. You can check your profile by clicking on your name in the upper right corner. Here, you can correct and update your information. Be sure to click Update to save any changes, and the back button to return to the main menu. You are able to edit and review data for the current school year. You are also able to view, but not edit, data for previous years. Let's view the current enrollments for the 2012-13 school year. You should see the names of all the AP teachers in your content area at your school, including yourself if you are teaching an AP class. If you click the plus sign next to the teacher's name, you will see the teacher's enrollments for their AP classes. This year, content coordinators are responsible for ensuring that projected attendance is entered before each student study session and actual attendance is entered after each study session. Teachers can enter this information for their own classes, or you can enter it for them. Let's look at Joe Adams' enrollment record by clicking on the magnifying glass at the end of the first row. We're now looking at Joe Adams' enrollment record, and we see checkboxes for attendance. After we've entered the appropriate information, we can update any changes and move on to the next student in the list. Once we've finished entering information, we click the Update button, and we click the back button to return to the current enrollments page. Notice that the information I just entered for projected attendance has now been updated. In the upper right corner is the Download Data button. You can use this button to download the enrollment data and create a sign-in sheet for the student study session. You'll need a sign-in sheet to submit with requests for reimbursement for food and door prizes for the student study session. Let's go back to the main menu. Also under Current Data is a link to report and view my session attendance. Here, you will find Content Coordinator reports and stipend information. If you're also teaching an AP class, you'll find AP tutor reports and stipend information. To earn your stipend, you must complete all the appropriate reports. For example, let's look at the Content Coordinator Vertical Team Meeting report. For this report, you will need to enter the session date, location, a list of all the attendees, and your agenda. When you click the Submit button, you've agreed that you have fulfilled all of your obligations as a content coordinator. If you look at the table below the reports, you'll notice that the stipend amount is updated after you submit the report. You will need to complete the Content Coordinator Study Session report after each student study session in your content area. You'll need to report the study session date, location, the number of students projected to attend, the number of students who actually attended, verification that you have sent the actual student sign-in sheet to Jessica Sanford, a list of expenses you expect reimbursement for, and a list of all the AP teachers who attended the study session. Other reports you will need to complete. If you host a student study session, you will have to complete the additional student study session report for hosts. And as a result of completing leader training, either online or in person, you will need to complete the leader training report. If you are an AP teacher, you must also complete the teacher reports, which are the same as last year. Scrolling down the page, you can see that the stipend amounts are updated with the completion and submission of each report. If you make a mistake in submitting a report, you can click the X at the end of the row and it will delete the report. AP teachers are responsible for reporting their own data. Please provide assistance to AP teachers new to the online reporting system. This information is the information upon which Advanced Kentucky will base your stipends at the end of the year, so it's very important that this information is correct and complete by early May. Please complete the reporting as each event is completed throughout the school year. When you are finished using the portal, don't forget to log out and use the X in the upper left corner to close the page. Take some time to review the Sample Content Coordinator Letter of Agreement by clicking Resources, For Administrators, Sample Individual LOAs, Content Coordinator. This letter of agreement delineates the content coordinator responsibilities and compensation. You will be asked to sign a letter of agreement as one of your school's content coordinators. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact any of the Advanced Kentucky staff. This concludes the overview of the Content Coordinator portal. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to working with you.